Today we'll be introducing the wireless audio transmitter. This allows you to transmit a Bluetooth signal from your ordinary TV or PC to any Bluetooth enabled device. In today's demonstration, we'll be showing you how to properly connect the transmitter to your TV or PC. The package for the audio transmitter comes with the audio transmitter. Here you can attach the external antenna, and here's the 3.5mm audio jack. Here's the external antenna. With this antenna, you can boost the signal up to 8 meters or 26 feet in an open area. And here's the 3.5mm audio cable. Your order may come with several cables depending on which option you chose from the order screen. Your order may also come with the 2 male RCA to 3.5mm adapter, and it may also come with the 3.5mm to 2 male RCA. To get started, we'll show you the demonstration on the TV. For the first step, please plug in the transmitter to a power source. If your TV has a USB port, you can insert it inside. If your TV does not have a USB port, you can use an adapter like we are using today. So the blue light should be blinking when it's powered on. For the next step, please check if your TV has a 3.5mm audio jack. It should have a headphone icon, so it should be this jack. If you do, then simply connect the 3.5mm audio cable to the audio jack. Next, connect the other end of the audio cable to the transmitter. If you do not have an audio jack, then you can connect either of these RCA cables to the TV. So for this cable, you can take the audio cable and connect it to the adapter, and then plug these two heads into the TV and this end into the transmitter. So we plug in the RCA heads into the TV. Next, connect the other end of the audio cable to the transmitter. For the 3.5mm to 2 male RCA cable, we just connect the 3.5mm end to the transmitter and the 2 RCA ends to the back of the TV. If you don't plug in the audio cables, your TV will not capture any sound. So make sure your transmitter is connected to the TV and not just powered on. For first time pairing, press the button on the transmitter to begin search. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Bluetooth speakers. Make sure your device is Bluetooth enabled and in pairing mode, so we can just turn it on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
When searching for a Bluetooth device, it will blink really fast. Once you connect the device, the light will begin blinking slowly like this. If you paired the wrong device, you can press the button again and it will automatically unpair.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So right now it's disconnected.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
It will automatically pair to the next Bluetooth device. We can now play audio from our TV to the Bluetooth speakers. If you're hearing audio from your TV and Bluetooth device at the same time, you can turn down the volume on your TV so you only hear audio from one source. You can also pair the transmitter to Bluetooth earphones, so if you like watching late night shows but you don't want to disturb your family members, then this item is perfect for you. To pair the Bluetooth headphones, make sure the transmitter is in pairing mode. The blue light should be blinking rapidly on the transmitter. We also have to put the headphones in pairing mode. For this headphone, we just hold the power button for a few seconds and it should connect automatically. The light should be blinking red and blue. After connection, there will just be a blue light. So we have a successful connection. Now you can listen to your audio from your TV or PC with these earphones, so you won't disturb anyone. The next thing we'll be showing you is how to connect the transmitter to your PC. To connect the transmitter to the PC, we will first plug in the transmitter into the USB port. Now we will have to take the audio cable and plug it into the transmitter, and the other end into the audio output jack. It should have a headphone icon. And once it's connected, you just pair the transmitter to your Bluetooth device, and you should be able to hear audio from your PC. If you're having audio issues, the problem might be the distance or physical interference. If you're trying to listen from 2 walls away, it may have poor quality. If you are too far away from the signal, you'll also have poor quality. That'll be all for this demonstration. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you out. If you have any problems with this item, please leave it down in the comments below.